Hello, in this video I'm going to discuss the basics of an uptrend, the characteristic and how to recognize an uptrend when it is happening by seeing it on chart. And so first things first, the basic of an uptrend is that it is accomplished by higher highs and higher lows. With me right here on screen I have a weekly chart of Nifty from 1st of January 2001 to 20th November 2015. In this chart we can clearly see that Nifty was an uptrend up till around December of 2007, and since it was an uptrend we will go to the daily chart and have a look at the pattern formation, that is higher high and higher lows formation. So here we can see that Nifty, if we consider this point here, region around 2663 as the first high, then we will see that this will be considered as the first low, which would be the region around level of 2292. After this formation, let me label it high 1 and this is high 2, low 1. So this is high and this is low. So what is the meaning of higher highs and higher low is that this is the second high and this is the second low. You can see that clearly. So now the meaning of higher high and higher low is that the second high must be greater than the first high and the second low must be greater than the first low. And here we can clearly see that the first high was around 2675, second high is around 3738. So we have higher highs, and the first low was around 2300 and the second low is around 2650. So we clearly have higher lows. And if we continue on in this process, we will see that we formed the next high around here and the next low around here. So this can be labeled as high 3 and this is low 3. And now if we verify this with the previous high was around 3750 and this high is around 4226. Previous low was around 2650 and this low is around 3588. So we have a clear higher highs and higher low formations in this uptrend. And let's just move and analyze the recent bull run, which started around last year. It started around this, when this double top was broken, this double top around 2364. So this run started around 24th March 2014. In this bull run we can see that we again have this higher high and higher low formation. Like for example, if we start from here, high and a low, again second high, a second low, then we have this third high, a third low, again a high, again a low. Okay, let me enlarge it here. So once again we can see it is more like a staircase formation. So we have high 1 here and low 1 here, then the second thing is that the second high must be higher than the first high, and here we have second low, which should again be higher than the first low, and we have high 3 and then we have low 3 here. This is it, and after that we have this high 4, low 4, and similarly this pattern continues. Here we have high 5 and the low 5, then we have a high 6, a low 6, then again here a high, and here is the low. And if we continue on up till here, we have higher highs and higher lows. If I just expand the chart, after that we had a bit of a consolidation period. The chart tested the support region at 79.60, and after that Nifty seems to go and settle below this level of 79.70, 79.60. Seems to be going weak. Once again, let's just see those higher high and higher lows formations. So we have higher high here, it is around this level, which is 75.01, and the higher low here at 71.19. Then the second high must be higher than the first high, and it is 76.75, higher than the first high. Second low must be higher than the first low. First low was 71.25, second low is 74.43. Now third high must be higher than the second high. It is 76.69, and the third low is actually exactly the same, around the same level. Second low was 74.55, and third low is also around 74.14. So here the level was retested, the support level was retested, and hence it is a good support level. Tested 2 times, maybe it will be tested again in the future chart. And then the fourth high was actually just right above, a little above the third high. It is not exactly a higher high, it is more of a consolidation here, like, because the high wasn't broken. And in this continuation we can consider this as the fifth high and fifth low, and clearly high 5 is higher than fourth high. Fourth high was 78.31, fifth high is 81.73, fourth low was 75.53, and fifth low is 77.50. So we have this ladder kind of formation here, like going up and then going down, again going up, then going down. But the thing is that when it goes down, it doesn't cross the previous low. That is more important in uptrend. The previous low is not broken, because when a low, or what we say support region, is broken, it is the signal that a downtrend might come, or maybe that the uptrend is no more there. So this is the basic concept of an uptrend, that in an uptrend you will see higher highs and higher lows, and I have just clearly explained the meaning of higher highs and higher lows. This is actually the daily chart, but if you go to the hourly chart and even 15 minutes chart, if the chart is trending, that is, it's going upwards, you will see such kind of patterns. They are not always there. Sometimes the upward movement is very fast and you won't have the chance to get on. But if you go to longer time frames, investors always find time to go on, and the time they jump on an uptrend is when these lows are formed. Okay, in further videos I'll discuss when to and how to recognize these lows, so that you can get or jump on to an uptrend. And that was all for the video. Thanks for watching.